So you want to make money on YouTube, but you don't have 1,000 subscribers and you have not reached 4,000 watch hours yet, but you're wondering, well, I'm not monetized on YouTube. How am I going to make money? Well, guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you some ways in which you can make money on your YouTube channel without being monetized. So if you want to learn exactly how you can do that, then stick around. What's going on, everyone? My name is Tamil and I'm coming to you from mailboxmoneyblog.com. Alright, so in today's video, I want to talk to you about making money on YouTube even if you have a small channel and you're not monetized yet. And that is usually like the biggest concern of most new YouTubers, is that their whole goal is, I gotta get monetized. You know, I have to get 1,000 subscribers and I gotta get those 4,000 watch hours so I can start making money. But honestly, that's not the way a lot of big YouTubers make money. They're not necessarily waiting on monetization. So I'm going to talk to you today about what you can do to make money on your YouTube channel, even if you're a small channel and you have not reached monetization. Alright, so some of the more common ways in which you can make money on your YouTube channel is through like affiliate marketing, or, you know, selling merchandise on your channel, or even having some sort of sponsorship deals. But those are the more common ways in which you can make money, and a lot of YouTubers are going to tell you these exact same things. But I'm not going to give you a list of things that you can do to make money on your channel. I want to focus on one thing because this is actually what I'm doing. So I want to talk to you about, you know, what you can do on your channel to make money, because I'm doing the same thing and I want to talk about things that I already have experience with. Alright, so if you want to make money online, then one of the ways in which you can do it is by promoting your own products and your own services. Now, you can obviously have your own services and create your own products, and that's awesome if you can do that. That's one of the ways in which you can make money on your channel. So guys, if you have some sort of service that you can offer people and you have a YouTube channel, then one of the things that you need to do is you need to start creating content around promoting that service. So if you can create content around talking to people about, you know, business taxes, or what they should do if they want to file taxes. Maybe you have a tax business and you're a tax preparer, and maybe you have some sort of service or some sort of course that can help people, you know, do their own taxes, or maybe hire you. Then you need to start creating more centered content around that particular topic, and really focusing on your target audience. And then that way you can promote that particular course or that service in every single video. There are several areas on your channel in which you can start promoting. Now, one of those areas is, of course, the description that's below the video. You hear a lot of people saying, you know, go to the description below this video, click on this link, you know, and you can have access to, you know, this particular product. So, of course, that's one way of doing it. You know, another way of doing it is through your channel art. So if you look at the channel art at the top of a page or a YouTube page, then you'll see where you can actually place a link there. And so that link can lead to anything. It can lead to your blog page. It can lead to, you know, maybe a calendar for someone to sign up, you know, for a consultation with you. It could lead to an affiliate link if you want to. So you can be able to promote, you know, your online services or your services and your products anywhere on your page. Another way that you can promote it is through a call to action. And I typically do this all the time in my videos. I'm always giving a call to action, telling people where to go to reach me, or to get maybe a free training or something like that. So you want to be able to know how you can promote it on your channel and how you can promote it within your videos. So within your videos, if you're always giving a call to action, this is a great way to drive traffic to that particular link. And that's what you would do if you were promoting affiliate products, because with affiliate marketing or affiliate products, basically you're just promoting other people's stuff, and what you're doing is you're just driving traffic to that particular link, and then you'll get a commission off of that particular product when someone purchases. So it all kind of works the same way. But the great thing about promoting your own services and your own products is that you can generate leads this way. And so here's one way in which you can do it. Create valuable content, always give a call to action, and you can lead people to a landing page. And when they land on that landing page, guys, this is always the most important part, is that you want to make a connection with them. So through email or through their phone. And guys, when you make a connection with people, when you can call people and get them on the phone, talk to them about how you can help them, you know, with any of their issues. Maybe they're on your channel looking for your services. they may not necessarily call you or try to reach out to you. So if you have that type of information that you're collecting, then guys, I suggest that you call people, you connect with them, even if they're just leaving an email. You know, you should be building an email list, because that's what I'm doing. I'm building an email list, and I'm always connecting with people. So when you connect with people, this is the secret sauce to generating income on YouTube, is that people love to do business with those who they know, like, and trust. And when people make a connection with you and they talk to you and they know that you're a real person, they're more likely to do business with you, and you're more likely to make a sale that way. So when you have things like, you know, promotions, and when you have products and services and even an online course, this is a great way to promote it. When you talk to people over the phone, and also through building your email list. And they say that the money is in the list, and I definitely do agree with that, because as you build a targeted list, then you're able to promote your own things, you know, your own courses and your own services. And you don't need a lot of subscribers. You don't really need YouTube for that. You know, you don't need to meet their requirements of being monetized to be able to do that. And honestly, this is exactly how I built my business. This is how I make money on YouTube, because currently at the moment I am not monetized. So how am I going to be able to make money until I reach that point? You know, these are ways in which you can do it. You can offer your services, offer products of your own as well, and then you can be able to connect with people and tell them what you do and how you can help them. And so if you're a small YouTuber, try not to think so much as to how you can just make a ton of money, but think about how you can actually help the people that are coming to your channel, and also how you can help people who are opting into your landing page, or maybe they're landing on your blog, or maybe they're landing on a link that you have in your description. So guys, think about, you know, creating your own products and your own services, and then that way you can be able to drive traffic to those particular links, and you can also be able to talk to those people. I'm really big on talking to people and making a connection, because I'm very much aware that people, they want to do business with people that they know, not strangers. And so if you can understand that, then you can make more money on YouTube, and you don't really need the monetization at that moment. You know, yes, it's going to come with enough hard work, but you don't have to wait for it. So that's one of the main ways in which I think that you can make money with YouTube, and you don't need the 1,000 subscribers or the 4,000 watch hours to be able to do it. So don't sit around and wait for that. Just focus on making valuable content, you know, making it for a particular targeted audience, because I'm going to tell you this as well. If your audience is targeted, you don't need a lot of subscribers to make any money. I mean, you don't need a ton of subscribers. You just need the right people visiting your channel and basically, you know, leaving comments or making a connection with you. That's pretty much all you need. So guys, if you understand that, then that's going to be a good thing, because you can definitely get out here and make money on YouTube. So if you got some value out of this video, then make sure that you check out some of my other videos that are teaching a lot more valuable information about building a YouTube channel, and, you know, also just building an online business, because that's what I do here. I'm teaching you guys how to start and grow an online business, but most of all, making passive income with it. And the one way that I do it particularly is with YouTube. And so I'm creating some really good success, and I want to share it with you guys. So if you like this video, then make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, because you don't really want to miss out on the content that I'm dropping on this channel every single week. Alright guys, if you got any questions, leave me a comment below, and check out some of my other videos that I have. I will see you on the next video.